lovely people, welcome back to my channel. As we all know that summer season is back and we all are set to tan our body. But don't worry, in this video I am going to share a beauty secret with you which gonna help you to get rid of tan as well as to brighten up your face. Yes, but the most interesting thing is that you can get this done by using your kitchen ingredients only. Yes, you heard it right. So the first ingredient is besan. As we all know that besan is a very good cleanser, especially for oily skin. I have oily skin and this is self-tested. It removes dirt, impurities from my skin and also oil. Besan is also a very good alternative for your face wash or face soap. So if you are not interested to wash your face with your expensive face wash, then you can just go ahead with besan and make your skin so smooth. The second ingredient is turmeric. We all know that turmeric is a natural antiseptic because it has an anti-inflammatory property which helps bacteria from spreading out. So that's why it is very good for your wounds or for acne as well. That's why turmeric. Now the third last ingredient is your lemon. As we all know that lemon is rich in vitamin C, and what vitamin C does to our skin, it helps to lighten up our pigmented areas, it helps to lighten up our scars as well and to get rid of tan as well. So that's why lemon. So let's start making our face pack now. First of all, we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Now we will add a pinch of turmeric. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी कर देती हूँ because I love to add turmeric in my face packs. Now we need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whoa. Yes, and just mix it. As you can see that it is still dry, you can add water or rose water. If you want to take all the benefits of this face pack, you need to mix it well. Make sure there is no lumps remain. Apply to the upward direction. Don't go like this. Like this. In your nose area. You can also apply this face pack in your neck area also, and in your arms, in your legs, and you can also use it as your body scrub as well. If you want a nourishing effect also, so just use gram flour and add some body oil like olive oil or your coconut oil or any branded body oil as well, and get the nourishing effect. Leave this face pack for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off, pat dry, and don't forget to apply moisturizer. This face pack is suitable for normal skin, combination skin and oily skin as well. You can use this face pack twice or thrice a week maximum. So now I'm gonna keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it off, pat dry, and I will apply my sunscreen. Okay, so I'm done with my face pack and my skin feels so smooth, so refreshed right now. I can't explain it. Just give it a try and see the result. You can get rid of pigmentation and acne scars so easily, so quickly. You have to be like continuous with this face pack at least for a month, and then you can see the result. Okay my lovelies, this is all for today and I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay happy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Pratima Thakur. Till then, bye bye, take care. Mwah.